Welcome everyone to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. It is week 36, 2019. I'm glad that you're along with us. Hey, no announcements today, but I do have one update, and that is I'll be broadcasting from the Utah State Fair today. I'm a photography judge there and have been for many years now, and I want you to come along with me. This will be your opportunity to ask any questions related to photography competitions, as well as the general self-employment, photography in general, and of course comedy. So join me today at the Utah State Fair as I judge the professional, semi-pro, black and white, and fine art, along with a handful of other amazing judges as well. So let's go. Hey guys, here at the Utah State Fair doing the photography judging. I totally miss you guys too, and we definitely have to do dinner. So let's text and set that up. Yes, absolutely. I do videography as well as photography, and it's a ton of fun, but videography takes about 3 or 4 times the time that it takes me to do pictures. For me, it's about a 50-50 split. Half of my clients will be small business, and I'll be doing custom content creation for them, and the others I do weddings, engagements, bridals, high school seniors, and stuff like that.